Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Cessation of all mental activities is yoga. Good afternoon, Toastmaster, fellow Toastmasters and friends. What is yoga? Can anyone tell?
Sitting in silence, doing some movements.
Anything else?
Kind of exercise.
Yoga comes from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite. Yoga literally means union of your body, breath and mind. Yoga means experiencing everything as one in your consciousness. You may wonder, body, breath, mind, all three present in the same human system, then how do they vary? They do. All these three has their own ways of behavior. For example, tonight you're planning and keeping alarm in your mobile that tomorrow morning 5 o'clock I'll get up and I'll go for a walk. Your mind has planned for it and you have kept the alarm. The next day when your mobile alarm rings, your mind says, hey buddy, get up, you had planned for an early walk today. But how does your body react for this? It says, hey, shut up yaar, I'm so sleepy. I want to sleep for some more time. Anyway, today is not so good day. Tomorrow is very auspicious. So let me begin my walking exercise from tomorrow. Your body tries giving lot of possible excuses to avoid it, isn't it? So, how to synchronize these both? Yogacharya B.K.S. Iyengar says, unless freedom is gained in the body, freedom of mind is a far-fetched idea. So, how to sync both body and mind? The answer is yoga. Yoga helps you to set your mind and body in sync. It helps you to discipline and purify both body and mind to higher levels of energy. Energy levels are not same for everyone. It varies from person to person. All are sitting alive here, but all of us do not experience the life at the same intensity. Example, when you visualize a tree, what comes to your mind?
Green.
You?
Apple.
Everybody can visualize a tree, but the thoughts appearing in mind are not same because our energy levels are different. For a normal person, to visualize a tree, it sees only to be a tree. But for an artist, each and every shade of the tree appears to be excellent and unique because he perceives the tree through an artistic prism. The same way, yoga helps you to see and experience the life in a different angle. The whole process of yoga is to take you from one level to the next. That is something which is known to the unknown. What is the known component? Your body. Unknown imaginary component, your breath and mind. Yoga first starts with cleansing the known component, body, then moves to the unknown component. Most of us assume that yoga is so difficult. Only great persons can do it. How can a normal person do? But yoga is not so difficult. Anybody can practice it. The great spiritual master Sadguru Jaggi Vasudev says, what you can do and what you cannot do outside is always a question of capability. But when it comes to inside, it is just a question of willingness. Yoga just requires this willingness to do. Yoga needs this willingness and you should have the practice, persistence and perseverance to do it. For example, what happens in a physical science when you mix two parts of hydrogen with a single part of oxygen? The result is H2O, water. Even a scientist does this or a normal ignorant person. The result is same. The same way, anybody can practice yoga. It is not so difficult to do. And yoga, if you way, the results will be tremendous. The benefits, it improves your health, fitness, performance, and on the whole, the quality of your life. To start with, you have to work with your body, doing asanas, then move to the breath, pranayama, then to mind, chanting, and at last to the inner self, meditation. Believe me friends, yoga gives you lot of happiness in your life. I have personally experienced this. Practicing yoga in a dedicated way makes you to experience the life in a different angle. And the power of yoga is to experience everything as one in your consciousness. Yoga teaches us to cure what need not be endured and endure what cannot be cured.